see it and be right for it.
I started my professional activity as a neurologist trying
It's key. See it and be
I started my professional activity as a neurologist trying to bring the relief to my neurotic patients. Under the influence of an older friend and by my own efforts, I discovered some important new facts about the unconscious in psychic life, the role of instinctual urges, and so on. Out of these findings grew a new science, psychoanalytic, a part of psychology, and a new method of treatment of the neurosis. I had to pay heavily for this big upward look. People did not believe in my facts and thought my theories unsavory. Resistance was strong and unrelenting. In the end, I succeeded in acquiring gluten and winding up an international psychoanalytic association. But the struggle is not yet over. Im Alter von 82 Jahren verließ ich infolge der deutschen Invasion mein Heim in Wien und kam nach England, wo ich mein Leben in Freiheit zu Ende hatte. Benannt Sigmund Freud.
Thanks for that.